So the table on the left-hand side, the customer journey messaging, is sort of communicating with the customer according to the distance from which they see your advert promotion campaign. And it's sequential in terms of they may see the first communication outside of your shop or pub or care home or whatever business you have. And that will entice them to think, why should I go in? So it may be we have an extensive range of wholesome foods that are sourced locally at great prices. So that may entice them to pull in towards the entrance of your site or walk towards the entrance of your location. Then at the entrance to your location, they want to know more. So the communication changes slightly, and it may say, we have a great range of summer drinks, salads, and desserts available at great prices, 3 for 2 offers available. So that gives them a bit more. Then actually from the route to the entrance lobby, you may give them a bit more information to say certain promotions on freshly squeezed juices in 750 ml bottles available 3 for 2. So you're giving them a bit more detail and so on. And the further the customer gets in, so if they're going into your cafe area or they've passed through reception, then the communications will continue. So this may be shelf rail communications or shelf talkers talking about actually what the products are, the range that's available. So it may say lemonade, orange, cherry, grape juices available. And it will show different pack shots of the different products that you have in your range, and it'll entice them to purchase. And you can see here, but this logic is sequential and builds up information as the customer walks through your site. So the results that we're trying to achieve with this is to increase traffic from the roadside into your site or location. For existing visitors to be tempted to revisit your site, so repeat purchase. It also is essential that all of your messages, according to the customer journey, are cohesive and consistent and layer up additional detail as the consumer is closer to the point of purchase of your product or service. So I hope you've enjoyed today's session. And if you want any help to develop your communications for your physical site, location, shop, or business, please get in contact with us here at Consultus Marketing, and we can offer you some advice and consultation about how to develop your campaigns on a local level. Thank you.